Good evening, everyone. Good evening, and welcome to new Botany Insiders class. And in this particular class, we'll be having a demo related to our new course that is for the previous year questions and the revision course. So, we'll be discussing about how this complete course is going to work in your benefit. How will this complete course help you out in understanding the entire examination in a much better way. Okay, so let's wait for others to join in and then we'll start off with our class. Okay, let everyone join, then we'll start. Good evening to all the students. Just confirm whether the audio and the video is clear to you or not. Good evening, Lina. Good evening, Nisha. Good evening to all the students. Okay, so let's begin with our demo class. So in this particular class, first I'll be explaining you all the features that we have for the upcoming course, and the course name is Mastering the CSIR NET Life Sciences Examination. It's a PYQ and a revision course. Okay, so in this complete course, it will be like starting the enrollment starts tomorrow, and from the 18th of September, that is from 18th of September, the classes for the same will begin on our application. Okay, so let's understand about the entire thing. Good evening to all. So look into the various detailed features that we have for this complete course. Very first and the foremost important feature is understanding or finding out how to solve a previous year question. And for that, we'll be having detailed PYQ session in our classes, in the live classes. Okay. In addition to that, you'll be having all the recordings available for each and every class with unlimited access. Okay. So previous year question sessions will be there in detailed manner. Very, very important, because majority of the time, what problem do the students have after they have like completed their syllabus and all the other things? They don't understand, or they have a problem in finding out the way to solve a question. See, learning what cell cycle is and understanding how to solve out the questions related to cell cycle is a completely different task. So in the complete PYQ sessions that we are going to have, you will understand how to solve out the questions. What is the way of applying your knowledge into the questions? First thing. Second thing, there'll be a personal CBT mode practice portal for each one of you. We'll be having, this is a very new feature that we have added on in our course, which is a CBT mode portal. Understand this particular thing. We have curated a portal, we have developed a portal for you all, in which you'll be getting a login ID and a password, where you can practice out the questions in the same manner, the way the questions are, like the way you do it in the main examination. So you'll be getting the real time exam feel in the entire portal. All the questions, all the previous year questions and the tests will be like, you'll be doing the test on the CBT portal. You will understand this, that how, like, you all know, those of you who have given this particular examination before, you know how important it is for you to know or to have a practice of the CBT mode, that how to solve out the question in that scenario where you are given a number of, like, the question over here, then the options over here, then you have various different tricks and tips how to proceed ahead and all those things. So you'll be getting a personal CBT portal for every student you'll be getting if you enroll in this particular course for free. Okay. So second is a personal CBT mode practice portal will be provided to you. Then revision classes will be there for all the units. In addition to the detailed PYQ, one complete, like the complete syllabus will be revised in the best manner possible. Then you'll be having weekly tests every Sunday. One test will be provided to you which you can solve out and understand and practice out the things. Apart from the previous year questions, you'll be having different questions also given so that you can learn out how to like revise your concepts and all those things. Then most important again, you'll be getting hard copy for the PYQ pointers in this. The PYQ pointers will be delivered at your doorstep in this particular course. What is a PYQ pointer? So PYQ pointers are it's a complete PDF that we have curated so that you can revise the previous year question within a day or two. Okay, so we have made this complete thing. Then in addition to that, you have the notes in the soft copy format will be provided. Personalized attention and doubt sessions will be held on regular basis. So it's a very thoughtfully designed course that you require during this last time, because it's already September and like you have time till November for preparation, right? In the December you'll be having your examination. So for this last time, for this last 2 months, you need to gear up your preparation. And for the same matter, you require this PYQ and a revision course. It's a very, very concisely designed course for you all, which will help you in understanding the questions, how to solve the questions, learning the various tricks, learning the various ways in how to solve it. In addition, all the units will be revised in detail for once, like a complete revision cycle will operate for all the units. Every single day we'll be having live classes. Timing of the classes will be morning and evening. The exact timing and all the things will be like shared with you on the group. You'll be having a WhatsApp group curated for you all where you'll be getting all the details related to the same, right? In addition to that, you can have your problems discussed on the group or on the personal like WhatsApp number as well. Okay, so these are the various features. Go through these. If you have any difficulty, any doubt you have related to this particular course, you can ask everyone. Just check this, everyone. It's a very, very different and a completely like properly curated course for you all. Any doubt, any problem related to the course, everyone? Right? So this is the course which starts on 18th of September and the enrollment for the same will start tomorrow, that is 9th September. You can download our application and get yourself like you can register your number on the app so that tomorrow, because you'll be having a complete 10% off, so you'll be getting that particular offer if you have already like registered your number. In addition to that, talking about the pricing, yes, Komal, you can get the PYQ pointers separately also. Talking about the pricing of this particular course, so for the initial 5 days, like from tomorrow till 5 days, the course price will be 999. Okay, the course price is only 999. You can get yourself this particular entire course in 999 from 18th September up till December, till the examination happens. You'll be having all the classes discussed. It's a one-time payment and you don't require or you do need not to pay any extra amount except for this particular amount. So we have kept the pricing very, very minimal. Detailed PYQ sessions, personal CBT mode practice portal. You can get this portal for like separately also. In addition, revision classes, all the units will be there. Weekly tests, hard copy pointers will be sent at your doorstep with the most updated information of 2023 questions as well. Soft copies will be provided, hard copy. Then you have personalized attention and doubt session. Course starts on 18th, that is the live classes will start on 18th, and the enrollment starts tomorrow. The pricing for the same is 999, that is 999. So if you wish to enroll in the same, tomorrow by 10 p.m. the enrollment will begin. You can download the application from the iOS, from the Play Store, and get yourself, like tomorrow for the initial 2-3 days you'll be having some extra discounts also, so grab the offer right away. It's a one time opportunity which you can have, and you all have already like looked into the way we conduct our classes, so you can decide yourself and you can enroll in this course. Enrollment will start tomorrow. Personalized attention, in the best manner possible, we'll be solving out every previous year question starting from June 2023. So the very first paper that we are going to discuss in the course is 2023 June paper, which was held last to last month. Okay. So those of you who are interested, you can download the app right away. Link is in the description box, and you can register your number there. Okay. Any doubt, any problem? How many of you are interested in enrolling in this particular course? Please let me know in the chat section, everyone. How many of you are interested? Because you're getting a CBT portal, and that is something very different and a unique thing, because no, like you won't be able to solve out, or you won't be able to have a practice of the CBT portal anywhere else. So it's the best course for you for your December exam. Whatever backlogs you had in your previous attempts, you can solve it out in this course, and you can like revise also. You can question, like practice out the questions also. You'll be having a portal as well. You'll be getting a PYQ pointers, hard copy as well. So it's a complete all-in-one revision course, I would say, right? And the pricing is very, very minimal. It is 999, one time payment, no other payment required. 999, one time payment, done. And you have your slots booked for the entire time. Sure, Keshav. Who else? 14 of you are there in the course, in the class right now. You can download the app Keshav right away and get yourself done. Anjali, we'll discuss about it in the course itself. Don't worry. You're in the crash course, right? Don't worry about that. This is a very, very new feature which you have about the CBT portal. We had in-house coding for this particular thing done. So it's a complete student-friendly portal which you can use to get your practicing of the CBT mode, that is computer-based test mode, right? So this is about it. I hope I have cleared out all the various doubts that we have, right? So this is about for this particular course, this particular new course that we are starting in. Very good, Mayank. You can enroll tomorrow, right? You can enroll in the course tomorrow. Those of you who are interested, you can enroll, and the classes for the same will start on 18th of September. For the time being, the pricing for the same will remain 999, but like after 5 days, the pricing will be 1799. So it's a early bird offer for the initial student. So you can get yourself done. Okay. All the best. Good luck. Take care, everyone. This was about it, that this is a demo, small demo class for the same. Let's discuss one question about how we are going to actually discuss the questions in the examination in our main course. This is the question for you all. Question is, during the light reaction in photosynthesis, electron is transported in the electron transport chain ETC and produces ATP and NADPH in the process. You are given 4 of the statements. You need to find out which of the following options are correct. Okay, so this is a question from plant physiology. Give it a try to the question, everyone, and then we'll try to solve it out. Okay. Sure, Ashwin, you can download the application and tomorrow you can enroll in that. Okay. Those of you who are interested, you're most welcome. You can enroll in the course from tomorrow. Early morning, the enrollments will begin. And you can contact with me personally on this WhatsApp number so that you can get any of your, if you have any doubt, you can get it cleared. Mark down the answer for this question, everyone. Very good, very good. Everyone, look into the question properly, then only mark it. Mark down the answers, everyone. Okay, very good, very good. 5 of you have already marked it. Others also mark down the answer. Those of you who are marking down the answer as 1, read the question. Electrons from 680 first move to quinone, then to pheophytin. Where did you study this? 680 first to pheophytin, then to plastoquinone. Everyone, those of you are marking down the answer as 1. Not studied properly, not recalling the facts properly. Pheophytin is the first one, then you have plastoquinone. Plastoquinone A, then plastoquinone B. Yes, those of you who have marked the answer as 1. What is the issue in this question? Such a simple question. This showcases that the lack of revision in your concepts. First option is incorrect. As in, when you get the first option incorrect, you can eliminate 3 options and you can reach to the correct answer B, C, D in a blink of, like, within a minute or even in less than 1 minute. You can mark down the answer for such a question. And out of 7 to 8 students, 6 of 8 students, 6 of you marked it incorrect. Not reading the question properly, right? Anjali, not reading the question properly. Such a simple question. First to pheophytin, then to plastoquinone. Incorrect. It first moved to pheophytin, then to plastoquinone. And in plastoquinone also, it's plastoquinone A, then plastoquinone B, right? And as in when you get the first one incorrect, you eliminate all the 3, even without wasting your time for reading any other option. You can reach, like, you can move ahead with the next question. This is the main important thing that you have to understand while practicing out the question. And for this perspective itself, we are starting off with this previous year question course. Okay, so make sure that you are understanding what the question is asking you. Do not be in overconfidence and do not think that you have all the knowledge. You need to read the question, take a pause, understand what the question is asking, and then only mark it. Very good, Purnima and Komal. Both of you got the answer correct in the first go. Always remember, whenever you are marking the answer in the examination hall, first thing is you have to read the question at least 2 times. At least twice the question needs to be read. Second, whenever the question is in the combination format, over here you had combinations of the options given, right? So when you have the combination of the options given, make sure that you are reading one option, going to the combination options, checking whether that option is correct or not. Over here, I have seen that first option is incorrect. Without reading the next option first, I'll go to my options. I'll check down that, okay, this one is incorrect. Like in this A is there, so this one will be incorrect. This combination will be wrong, and the second one as well. So by this, you will be saving your time. Okay. So these are the various things that you have to understand. And this trick, the way of solving out the question comes with practicing. Okay. No matter how much you do the questions on your end and like with the help of pen and paper and everything, but you need to do the questions with the help of a specific educator so that you can understand how the questions are getting done. Okay, because in the examination you mark the answer one and then you feel like we have marked it correctly, but what happens during the when you get the result, the main issue comes is that the answer gets wrong. And this question is like a golden question. Within a blink, you can get 4 marks. And with just one question, you can, with every correct question, you increase your chances of getting qualified with the examination, right? So make sure that you are doing or understanding the question. This is the main explanation. This is the question, and the answer is option number 4. Okay. So when you look into the Z scheme, you have P680 moving to the excited state, 680, then you have pheophytin, plastoquinone, cytochrome B6F complex, then plastocyanin, P700, moving to the higher energy state, membrane bound like FES, sulfur proteins are there. Then you have ferridoxin, and then finally the reduction getting done, right? Look into the other options. You have P700, they can receive the, it can receive the electrons from plastocyanin. So P700, plastocyanin, correct option. Then NADPH is produced at the end of light reaction, correct option. Fourth, the hydrogen ions produced during the light reactions get concentrated in the thylakoid membrane. This is again correct option to remember. Okay, so you can see during your practice time you need to understand all the 4 options, and during your main exam you should focus upon saving your time. Time can be saved with the help of tricks. Okay, so is this question clear to all? Yes or no? Just check, everyone. Those of you who marked the answer incorrect, and others also, those of you are there in the class right now, just check whether the question is clear to all. If yes, we'll move ahead. Done, everyone? We'll discuss one more question. Okay, one more question for you all. Give it a try to this, and see over here, this is a latest year question, 2022. One more question, 2022 again. Following are certain statements regarding the photorespiration pathway in the plants. 4 options in front of you. You need to find out which of the following is incorrect. Find out the incorrect option. Get the answer for this, everyone. Very simple again. Mark it. Easy question, give it a try. If you know what photo respiration and the complete concept is, you'll be able to mark the answer very easily. And the way we discussed the previous question, in the similar manner, we are going to discuss each and every question in our PYQ course. So those of you who are interested, you can get yourself enrolled in the same. The enrollment starts tomorrow. Okay. Mark down the answer for this, everyone. First option is the first two carbon compound that is synthesized by the action of rubisco in the chloroplast is glycolate. Then you have glycolate exit the chloroplast and enters the peroxisome. Then you have the glycolate that is synthesized during the C2 cycle. It enters the chloroplast from the mitochondria. Then you have the glycine is getting transported from the peroxisome to the mitochondria, and you need to find out which of the following statement is incorrect in nature. Okay. First option, the two carbon compound that is produced during the or via the action of rubisco in the chloroplast is glycolate. Look into this. Is it glycolate? The first one? Yes, correct option. So, first option gets correct. As and when you get the first option correct, you need to find out the next one then. Then you have glycolate exit the chloroplast and then it enters the peroxisome. Then you have glycolate that is like second is glycolate exit the chloroplast, enter peroxisome. Chloroplast exit entering into the peroxisome. Correct? Then you have glycolate that is synthesized during C2 cycle enters the chloroplast from the mitochondria. That is, you have the second option, glycolate that is synthesized during the C2 cycle enters the chloroplast from the mitochondria. From mitochondria to the chloroplast is like, do we have any entry of glycolate? No, right? So C option gets incorrect. If the C option gets incorrect, so my answer is either second or third or fourth. According to this, first option gets incorrect, then glycine is transported from peroxisome to the mitochondria. Glycine transported from peroxisome to mitochondria. Like it is saying, from the peroxisome to the mitochondria, glycine is getting added. No, that's also incorrect. So, D option is incorrect. So, if we look into the options, we have got option number 3 incorrect and 4 incorrect. C and D, C and D. Then you have the first one, that is the first two carbon compound synthesized is glycolate. According to answer key, it's even 2, but it should not be 2 because synthesized, is it a two carbon compound? Sorry, first one is phosphoglycolate, the two carbon compound. Really sorry. So this option is incorrect. So first option is incorrect, and then you have the third option being incorrect in nature. So A and C, but you have D option also incorrect, right? See over here, glycine transported from peroxisome to mitochondria is glycine. Okay, this is correct. So this option gets correct. A and C is incorrect. Answer is option number 2. That is your A and C being the incorrect one. Really sorry, this one is the correct one because glycine is getting there and then serine gets transported to the other way. So answer is option number A and C. Correct option. Did you understand this? You can look into this entire thing. You have phosphoglycolate, which is the two carbon compound, which makes the first option incorrect. Then glycolate synthesized enters from chloroplast to peroxisome. That's also incorrect. So A and C is wrong. You have the correct answer as option number B. Okay. I hope it's cleared. You have the correct answer as option number B. This is the question. This is the entire diagram for the same. These are like handwritten notes. And the correct answer for this is option number B. Okay. Clear everyone? 4 of you got the answer correct. I hope the question is clear to all. Yes or no? Any doubt, any problem? Anyone? These are the handwritten notes for the photo respiration. This is the question 2022. B is the incorrect answer. Like B is the correct answer because you had to find out the incorrect options. Okay. I'm expecting this particular question is clear to all, right? I hope it's clear. So with this, we are done with the demo session. I am expecting that you all, like those of you who are interested in the course, you can download the application and get yourself enrolled. Enrollment starts tomorrow, repeating the entire thing again. Detailed PYQ sessions, personal CBT portal will be given for each one of you to practice out the CBT mode. Then revision classes, all the units, weekly test will be there, hard copy PYQ pointers, notes, soft copy will be there, personalized attention and doubt session. So it's like a the all-in-one session which you require during the last time of your preparation. Okay, for these 2.5 months, this is the like the best curated course which you can have, and the pricing for the same for initial 5 days will be 999, and then the price will increase to 1799. So it's a offer price, early bird offer for those of you who joined during the initial time. Okay, this was about it. All the best. Bye everyone. Hope to see you all in the full this particular course. Bye everyone.